Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I hope everyone had a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Without further ado, let's start the video. Alright, we got a bonus here, $1.90 max bet on Jade. Did my strategy, put in $40, got a quick bonus, and look at the numbers here. The numbers are quite large, so take a look. Hopefully we got something good, so here we go. All right, last spin. I always recommend that you do a 2 to 3 backup spins after a bonus, because you never know, sometimes you'll get the tiger or the dragon to roar out every once in a while, so be sure to do that. Alright, if I get another bonus, I'll come right back.
奖金翻倍。
As you can see here, by doing a couple of backup spins, you may get another random roar again, which is why I totally recommend this. Okay, back to the video. Alright, we got into another bonus. I actually moved to another machine and went to a dragon machine and hit another bonus at $1.90. So let's see what we get. Okay folks, there you have it. By using this strategy increases your odds of getting a random roar. It may not work all the time, but at least you can hope to increase the odds. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck out there.